Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
हम अक्सर ऑफिस या वर्कप्लेस रिलेटेड मीम शेयर करते हैं या अपने दोस्तों को बताते हैं कि यार आज काफी गंदा दिन था। लेकिन अगर आपको कॉन्स्टेंटली ये फीलिंग हो कि कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं हुआ काम पे, ये काम को लेकर आप बस स्ट्रेस एक्सपीरियंस करते हो, इट मे इंडिकेट बर्नआउट। What is burnout? Burnout is a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused by excessive and prolonged stress. It occurs when you feel overwhelmed, emotionally drained, and unable to meet constant demands. As the stress continues, you begin to lose the interest and motivation that led you to take on a certain role in the first place. ये टर्म relatively नया है and was first coined in 1974 by Herbert Freudenberger और ये ज़्यादातर workplace stress के साथ associated होता है. Burnout may be accompanied by a variety of mental and physical health symptoms as well. If left unaddressed, burnout can make it difficult for an individual to function well in their daily life. कोविड के वजह से cases of burnout ज़्यादा हो रहा है, especially in the medical profession, which have been overextended in trying to deal with the pandemic. पहले burnout का definition अलग होता था, उसको बस stress syndrome माना जाता था. लेकिन 2019 में World Health Organization ने इसका definition change किया और अब इसका official definition है syndrome conceptualized as resulting from chronic workplace stress that has not been successfully managed. Most of us have days when we feel helpless, overworked, or unappreciated. When dragging ourselves out of bed requires superhuman determination. लेकिन अगर ये feeling daily हो, तो शायद आप burned out है. Burnout is a gradual process. ये एक दिन में नहीं होता है. इसके signs और symptoms are subtle at first, but become worse as time goes on. If you pay attention and actively reduce your stress, you can prevent a major breakdown. If you ignore them, you'll eventually burn out. What are the physical signs and symptoms of burnout? Feeling tired and drained most of the time. Lowered immunity, frequent illnesses, frequent headaches or muscle pain, change in appetite or sleep habits. Emotional signs and symptoms of burnout. Sense of failure and self-doubt, feeling helpless, trapped and defeated. Detachment, feeling alone in the world. Loss of motivation, increasingly cynical and negative outlook. Decreased satisfaction and sense of accomplishment. According to a 2018 report by Gallup, employee burnout has the following causes. Number 1, unreasonable time pressure. Employees who say they have enough time to do their work are 70% less likely to experience high burnout. Number 2, lack of communication and support from a manager. Manager support offers a psychological buffer against stress. आप अपने काम को बेहतर तरीके से कर पाते हो. Number 3, lack of role clarity. When expectations are like moving targets, employees may become exhausted simply by trying to figure out what they are supposed to be doing. Unmanageable workload. जब आपका workload unmanageable हो, तो चाहे आप कितने ही diligent employee क्यों ना हो, you will feel overwhelmed, which can quickly lead to burnout. Unfair treatment. Employees who feel they are treated unfairly at work are more likely to experience a high level of burnout. Unfair treatment may include things such as favoritism, unfair compensation, and mistreatment from a coworker. What can you do about it? It may not be possible to change jobs or profession altogether, but a few steps can help deal with it better. Number 1, evaluate your options. Discuss specific concerns with your supervisor. Maybe you can work together to change expectations or reach compromises or solutions. Try to set goals for what must get done and what can wait. Number 2, seek support. Whether you reach out to coworkers, friends, or loved ones, support and collaboration might help you cope. Sometimes trying to do it all on your own may be a big contributor to burnout. Get some exercise or try a relaxing activity. Regular physical activity या practices like yoga can help you better deal with stress. ये एक healthy way होगा de-stress करने का, जो आपके mind और body के balance में भी मदद करेगा. Mindfulness. Mindfulness का मतलब होता है जब आप focus करते हो on your breathing and being intensely aware of what you're sensing and feeling at every moment without interpretation or judgment. In a job setting, This practice involves facing situations with openness, patience, and without judgment. जॉब सभी के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है, लेकिन कोई भी जॉब इतना इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं होता कि वो आपके मेंटल या फिजिकल हेल्थ को डिटेरियोरेट करे। और ऐसा हो रहा है तो ट्राई एंड सी हाउ टू लेट दैट नॉट कंटिन्यू। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द 14th एपिसोड ऑफ माइंड ओवर मैटर। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक और शेयर करें और हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। ऑल्सो फॉलो अस ऑन आवर सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स। This is Tina Das for The Print signing off.